Hey there. Welcome back to my channel Remote Genius, the go-to destination for all things remote job-related and make money online. Today we're going to be taking a look at two latest remote job opportunities. Before we get started, just know that some of these job opportunities do expire after a while. So subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out when I upload more videos on the latest remote jobs. Okay, let's get down to business. The first job we're going to be taking a look at is Omni Interactions. They are looking for individuals to provide customer service to their clients. This includes taking inbound phone calls, answering chat messages, and responding to emails. But it says you will be interacting with customers primarily through inbound calls, helping them with their needs. When it comes to the kind of schedule you can expect, it says they have flexible work schedule options available. Most of the work hours are daytime during the week, and you have the opportunity to create a work schedule that works best for you. How much you can earn ranges from $14 to $20 per hour. If you don't want to talk on the phone, you can check out my work from home chatting jobs video. I'll put a clickable card on screen so you can check it out, and I'll also leave a link to it in the description down below. Let's take a look at some of the requirements for this job. You're required to have exceptional written and verbal communication skills, a proven track record in customer service and delivering outstanding customer care, keen attention to detail with strong problem-solving skills. You must be friendly, have an empathetic tone, and a professional demeanor. You must be self-motivated, proactive, and have a resourceful mindset. Must be proficient in using technology, including computer applications and softwares. Since this is a work-from-home job, you are required to have a quiet and organized area to work. You will need a computer with at least 8 gigabytes of RAM, and it can't be a tablet or Chromebook. You need a wired USB headset with a microphone, high-speed wired internet connection with at least a 10 megabits per second download speed, an operating system of Windows 10 or 11, but some clients may accept an Apple device. You need a valid or up-to-date antivirus software installed, and a smartphone, Android tablet, or an iPad is required for program work, along with an authentication app. To apply, just click on Apply Now and create a profile. After applying, you'll need to take a 15-minute online assessment. If you meet the requirements, they will send you an invitation within 24 hours to log into their online portal, where you can view and apply to contracts that match your interest. There's some important information here that you guys will want to take a look at before applying. You guys should also read these two documents and watch these videos before applying. This next job is being a sales representative working for a company called VexHost. They are seeking motivated and results-driven sales representatives that have a passion for technology and a deep understanding of cloud infrastructure. You will be responsible for expanding their customer base by identifying new business opportunities and building strong relationships with potential clients. Your responsibilities will be to generate new leads and actively seek out new sales opportunities. Conduct market research to identify selling possibilities and evaluate customer needs. Prepare and deliver appropriate presentations on their cloud solutions and services. Create detailed business plans to facilitate the attainment of goals and quotas. Negotiate and close deals and handle complaints or objections. Collaborate with team members to achieve better results and gather feedback from customers. Maintain accurate records of all sales and prospecting activities. Previous experience and familiarity with a range of cloud service platforms such as VMware, AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud, with an ability to articulate the unique advantages of their cloud solutions in a competitive landscape. Some requirements for this position are having proven experience as a sales representative with a track record of successfully selling technology or cloud infrastructure-based services. Proactive and experienced in building a robust sales pipeline and enhancing the sales process to drive results. Strong communication, negotiation, and interpersonal skills. Being self-motivated, driven by targets, and the ability to deliver engaging presentations. Having knowledge of CRM software, and having at least 5 years of relevant sales experience in the technology or cloud services sector. This is a full-time and remote job that is worldwide. According to Glassdoor, the average salary for a sales representative at VexHost is around $47,000 a year. If you're looking for something more entry-level, much easier to do and can work around your schedule, I've got you covered. Check out these videos on the screen. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on the latest remote job opportunities.